Hey everybody, welcome to Sid's Tips, and today looking forward to sharing with you about a condenser microphone kit by a company called VeGue that was sent to me to review, try out, to share with you what it's like. Here the audio. We'll first dive in, show you what's included in the kit, and then I will set up, show you how that is easy to set up, and then how it sounds. Appreciate the company sending it to me, and I look forward to ultimately have you hear how the audio sounds, and hopefully this will be of help to you. So I will share with you audio both on my computer as well as what it sounds like in a web conferencing room. That might be of help because you might use it both ways. And I'll also put a link down below in the description so you could learn more about it. You can ask questions, and if it makes sense, you can order it. If you find this video of help, please give it a thumbs up. Also, be sure to subscribe to my channel and the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos as they come out. All right, let's go ahead and dive in. Let me share with you what's included in the kit. Very easy to set up. I took it back apart just so I can share with you and you can get a feel of everything that's included and how really easy it is to set up. So first we got the windscreen that here. Then we have the clamp. Got a nice clamp that will go right on the desk, and I'm going to set it up right here on my desk so you can get a nice close-up look of that. We've got the microphone, and then the connector goes right there on the bottom for the USB cable. It's a USB-A to USB that goes right into the computer. And then next up we have here, we've got the microphone clip, so the microphone slides right in there. Then we have the pop filter, and the pop filter will help your voice pop more and also reduce that background sound. And then you have the ability to adjust this there, and again I'll show you what that's like setting up. And lastly, you've got the arm, so you can adjust the height. You can move it out of the way when you don't want to use it. So I've been using it here on my desk, also on my work laptop, and then I can just slide it right out of the way. Let me just share with you just a quick few specs. So it's equipped with a 16mm large diaphragm and professional sound chip. The frequency, if you're interested in that, is 20 Hertz to 20 kilohertz, as well as it is a cardioid polar pattern, and what that does is helps reduce pickup of sounds from the sides, improving isolation of desired sound source, making it clearer, more real sound, and again, different operating systems. Now, one of the things they do mention that it will not work with is if you are looking to use this with a gaming system, it does not work with the Xbox and the PS4, so it's not compatible there. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is move my desk out of the way here, and now I'm going to go ahead and set it up. So first thing you want to do is you'll have the clamp there. It's a metal clamp. There's no rubberized piece there, and that's going to go right there. They make it nice and easy to do with this piece here, for turning. And we got to just lower this just a little bit more. All right, and once we get that there, here we go. All right. So now I got it. Also got some of the Funko Pops falling over. We got Elroy. There you go, Elroy. All right, now we got that on there. Now next, we're going to put the arm, and then the arm slides in right this way. It should. You'll have a knob here, and then that knob would just lock in place so it stays there. And then you could see you can loosen it so it has more wiggle room for adjusting, or you could tighten it so it's not moving at all. Next up, we are going to go ahead and put, this is the microphone clip. We'll go ahead and this screws on, making a little bit of a noise. You could probably use a little degreaser if you have that issue. And now you have the ability to turn it upside down if you want, and then there's a knob here for locking that in place. We'll go ahead and put the microphone in there. All right, we got that. We've got the windscreen, and we got the pop filter. Now there's, the way they show it on here is with like that. You can see where it's near the front. of the arm. So we'll go ahead and set it up this way. This has got a knob here for tightening up, and I'm just going to lock that in place like that. There we go. And now it is, oh, it looked like it was not all the way on. Let me go ahead and try that again. Okay, so that locks in place like that. And we are almost done. All right, so now got the pop filter like this. And I'm going to go ahead and adjust this up. And now we've got the filter lined up, and there you go. And that's it. And now all you need to do, you've got what I've done, and I found a great way to do this, is if you have any of, to save these wraps. So I'm going to plug this into the bottom of the microphone, the one end onto the microphone. So that's in there. And now I'm going to take the wire, and I am going to, let me have it go on this side of the pop filter. And got a nice long cable, so my desktop computer is on the floor, and that just sits perfectly. And then I just use my tie wrap and put that on top like this. If you've got a second one, I've got a second one, so I can do two, and then it just keeps it. Or if you have a, some other kind of wrap, then you can use that as well. But we'll make this work for now in this video. All right, almost there. And that's it. So there you go. It is all set up, and now you're good to go recording your audio, your web conferencing, or whatever else you can do to take advantage of the microphone. Okay, so now we're at the portion of the video where you can hear my voice. So the audio that you're hearing now is coming from the VeGue microphone. This is unedited. I am using Camtasia to record the audio portion, and hopefully this part will be of help to you. So just to share with you my experience when using the microphone, I found that I've had to keep the volume all the way up for the microphone for it to hear my voice. I'm not a specialist when it comes to adjusting audio. I know there's Audacity and other programs that you can edit, but there is a part where I can take the background sound and reduce that noise, and I'm gonna talk in a minute so you can hear the difference. But I wanted you to be aware of that, and perhaps you might be able to do some further editing on your computer to make it work, but I wanted you to hear what I'm experiencing. So I'm going to be quiet here for a minute so you can hear the background hissing sound that it's picking up. So that's what I'm hearing, and I'm obviously, as far as audio quality, you don't want to have to hear that hissing background. It just doesn't sound like great audio. But what I'm going to share with you now, and what you're hearing now, is me editing out the audio where it is reducing that background sound, and so it seems like it flattens my voice a good bit, and it really reduces that pop in a great sounding audio. So that's the challenge I'm finding. Now, as I wrap up this video, I'm going to have you listen to me. I did a recording in my web conferencing room, as I had mentioned earlier, in my GoToMeeting account, and I find that the audio is pretty clear there. But as far as using it for the audio here, and I don't know how that would affect with podcasting, that's what my experience is. Overall, it's a nice microphone as far as what you get for the money. But as far as the audio, that's my challenge I'm having a little bit. So I've been using it more with work and using it within the web conferencing room than on my computer. But hopefully overall this video will be of help, so hope you enjoy this last part of the video. Let me know if you have any questions, and here is the web conferencing audio example, and thanks for joining me. Have a great day. Okay, so now I am doing a recording in my GoToMeeting web conferencing room, and I wanted you to hear how the VeGue microphone sounds from a web conferencing standpoint. Now I'm gonna just step back just a little bit so you can hear how my voice sounds if I'm not as close to the microphone versus being closer. And then if I wanted to push it out of the way a little bit or down below so it's not right in my face as I'm looking at the camera. So I hope this portion of the review is of help to you.